Welcome to the next session of fluid mechanics. In this session, we are going to discuss numericals on the topic of properties of fluids. Let's take up the first one. Calculate the specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So the volume is given as 1 liter. This can be converted into meter cube. 1 liter is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Next, weighs 7 Newton. When it is said weighs, it means the weight is given as 7 Newton. I need to find specific weight small w, density rho and specific gravity s. Now we'll first talk about the formulas that we have already discussed. We know small w is capital W upon V. It is also equal to rho g. For rho, the formula is m upon v, and for specific gravity, we know it is rho of a particular liquid upon rho of water. So we are talking about small w first. So specific weight can be calculated as weight of fluid upon volume. Now in this numerical, you can see clearly weight and volume are given. So I can say it is 7 upon 10 raised to minus 3. So this becomes 7000 Newton per meter cube. So this is the first thing that I have calculated. Now second thing that I need to find is density. Now if you see the formula of density, is this mass upon volume. Now here mass is not given. So there is no point in using this formula. I can directly use this formula of small w, that is rho g, because I just calculated small w. So w is rho g. 7000 is equal to rho into g. Now rho is calculated for the rho of liquid. So I can say it is rho into g, that is 9.81. G value is going to be constant. So this is rho, which is 713.5 kg per meter cube. Now the third thing that I need to find is specific gravity. This will be rho of the liquid. So let me call this as rho L. Rho of liquid to the rho of water. So this will be 713.5 upon 1000. That makes it to 0.7135. Specific gravity will have no unit because it is a ratio of two same quantities. So this is a very simple numerical. Let's take another one. Calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of petrol. Again, we are talking about a liquid whose volume is given as 1 liter, which is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Of specific gravity 0.7. So the value of S is given as 0.7. I need to find rho, that is rho of petrol, specific weight and weight. Now let's start with specific gravity, which is given to me. So I will use S is equal to rho of petrol upon rho of water. So this makes it to 0.7 is rho of petrol, not known. Rho of water is 1000. So I know rho of petrol is 700 kg per meter cube. This is the first thing that you can find very easily. Next, we need to find small w. Now, since we know rho, I can use the formula small w is rho of petrol into g. That makes it to 700 into 9.81. When you multiply, you'll get this as 6867 Newton per meter cube. And next, I need to find weight. So I know small w is weight upon volume. Therefore, I can say 6867 is equal to weight upon volume is 10 raised to minus 3. So therefore, weight becomes 6.867 Newton. So that these are two simple numericals and they explain how to use the formula which we have discussed in the previous class. With this, I am going to end the session. In the next session, we will discuss about the next property of fluid, that is viscosity. See you in the next session. Thank you.